The people in front, or the first people, are the head of the snakes. Okay. Last part will be the tails. Okay. So the goal of this game is for the heads to get any tails from any other groups. Okay. But the one rule that is very important is you need to hold each other's shirt or skirt or body or any. Okay?
You're not allowed to hit the bamboo stick, okay?
You're not... No, you are allowed if you want. Okay?
It's gonna fall down.
So, if Section A wants to grab the tail of Section D, or Section C, or B, or any, okay? Just the goal here is for you to grab the person, okay? Or, I mean the tails, okay? So,
let anybody touch you.
okay? So the heads here are Brian, Pearl, we have Lance, and I forgot your name, Ken. And the tails for Section B, who's your tail? Section D, Charles. Section C, who's the tail? DK, BLA, Yan, okay? Are we ready, guys? If I can see a that is disconnected, so you are also disqualified. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! First one is D. First one is D. Guys, okay, excuse me, go back to your place, Actually, the winner of that round is Section B. B is the winner. Round 1, that is only round 1. Go back to your place. No, it's B. Sorry, I'm the judge. I'm not biased here. Okay. And why don't you guys please hit the button? Okay?